Now, who killed them own? How can you take the life of your own brother or your own sister? Want to share the same parents with your blood, your flesh and blood? Viewers and subscribers, today I'm very disgruntled. I'm very angry. I don't know Tamara Gedded. I don't know nothing about her. I don't know her circumstance. I don't know her family. But I take this personal and I feel it on my heart for know say our own sister set up man to kill her in front of her 10-year-old daughter. Alright, so many of you would have heard about the report or that I would have read something just like I did. And for all the viewers them who know really understand what go on, Tamara Geddes, who is 36, was shot and killed in her home sometime in June in front of her 10-year-old daughter. Now you know say investigation start and police will do what them to do and all of that, but there was no breakthrough in the case. So basically, the family members had no idea who were the persons responsible for killing their loved one. Now, surprisingly, a couple days ago, the sister of Tamara Gedded turned herself into the police and confessed that she was the person who contracted a gunman to murder her sister in her home. Now, people, this is extremely sad. And you know, it is so painful that me they have to do a video upon it. Me they have to come talk about this people because I say, yo, how much of this happen already? How much people take the life of them own over the years? I wanna know about it. And we other things say, yo, some other persons are we are blame people when you even know nothing about it. Eh? Some key and able businesses, brother. Alright, so according to a family member, the two sisters, Tamara Geddes, who is now deceased, and Nadine Geddes, they could not get along. For years, them a live bad. Them no deal, them quarrel now and then, until Nadine even get her daughters them involved in the cascas. So she kinda turn her niece them, Tamara niece them against her, which a fear up into them. So for years, them have a strife and them have some conflicts. So it looked like it reached a point where Nadine take the thing very personal that she decided to say, yo, no man, me I kill the girl, you know, me I kill my sister, you know, because me can't deal with this no more. Me not like her, so me just get rid of her. And she got contract a gunman now, them pay, she and her daughter them pay a gunman to come murder their sister and their auntie. You get me I say? And look at me, I think I say, yo, people cool, you know. People really, really cool and I love them, you know. At the point where you contract a man to kill your own sister, your own flesh and blood. You know, stop for a second and think, say, no, this wrong. Even at the point where the gunman are call you and say, alright, me I left out now or me reach my location. You know, things you can say, boy, no, don't bother go through with it. I'm a sister. You make them go ahead and murder your sister in front of a baby. We are going to live with for the rest of their life. No counseling, you know, nothing at all cannot bring back the child, you know. If you not mind sharp, she go that go mash up her mental, no drive her insane, no brother. If you see your mother dead in front of you, know, they may think that a little bit of people, the minority of people experience them, you know, if you see your mother flush out in front of you, you know. You get me I say? So this I go affect that child right through the rest of her life. You get me I say? And yo, the situation is just so sad. It is just so sad. People, I always say this, you know, I'm want to tell me if I'm wrong, but this is my view. Me always say, anybody will take the life of another person and they can't justify it. You know, a real reason for justify taking a life. They should also lose the right to live. If you kill a man and it is proven that you are the person responsible and you can't justify, you never do it in self-defense, you never do it to save a next life or anything, but you kill a man, you should have put to death immediately. Once it is proven without a doubt, say, are you responsible for the person dead? I better say things are different in our world. Just think about it and tell me if what me I say makes sense. I better say, well, as much masculine, as much murder across the world, people. Yo, the one that touch me, I'm not gonna lie, the one that touch me, I'm just have to come talk about it. I'm want to hear what Uno have to say about this. Them saying that everybody can find good. And the only good will come out of these people is that her conscience got the better of her. So she go to the police and confess that she murdered her sister. So currently, Nadine Geddes and her two daughters are in custody and they are formally charged for conspiracy to murder and murder and some other charges. And it is reported that there are also two other persons in custody at the moment who will be charged shortly. So I'm assuming that these two persons are the hitmen, or the persons who carried out the act, who actually killed Tamara Geddes. People, is a sad situation, and I just ask viewers and subscribers, make we try live in a love, no man. Make we try live in a peace. Even if you and somebody can't get along, that not mean say you have to kill them people. If you can't get along, you just not going them way. You avoid them. Make we live better, people, please. Follow me on Instagram at Jamaican Drama 1. If you're not subscribed to Jamaican Drama and Entertainment TV, please do so now. Our next video is coming out soon. Big up on yourself. One love every time.